What's up, guys? My name is Brian. Today we're going to learn how to build a web page. As you can see, I'm typing in this window. Don't worry if you don't understand what I'm typing. I'll explain it as I go. That is the basic structure of a web page. You're turning HTML on and turning it off. As you can see, this window is a notepad. It's a plain text editor you have on any Windows machine. Now, to actually show content in the web page, you have to make what's called a body tag. This is the body of the web page. Now, you might have noticed that each tag I enter has a corresponding one with a slash in front of it. This is called a start tag. This is called an end tag. Anything between these tags is the content. Now, this is a basic web page. It might not look like much, but believe me, it's a web page. Let's go ahead and save this. Now, one thing I should probably cover is when you save out of something like Notepad, you have to be careful it's not a plain text document. Otherwise, it'll try to open it back up in Notepad. You should save it as an HTML file or an HTML. As you can see, I've already saved this file. Now, if we flip over, and you can see there's our file. When we open it, there's the content. Look familiar? Notice that the tags are magically missing. You just have hello world within the body. That might seem a little mysterious to you, but let me just explain it this way. The web browser will process these tags and not display them, but these tags will define how things are rendered on the screen. Next couple of videos we'll be showing you how to make things look a little prettier.